Yeah, you don't care. Yeah. Without these guys, you'd have all kinds of rodents running around.
Yep. Pretty snake. Did I tell you all, me and Michelle had kids? There they are. We got 1, 2, 3, and she's due for more. That's howdy folks. Shawn here from Hiking with Shawn on YouTube. Today we're at Little Grand Canyon in the Shawnee National Forest. And you can see there's water on the ground, so it should be pretty wet. Could be flooded. Really don't know. But it's kind of cool. Truck says it's 64.
August 1st.
August 1st, 2020. COVID year. That's not fog, that's actually COVID mist. So we're gonna enjoy some hiking at the Little Grand Canyon and take you all along with us. So stay tuned. Oh, I see Michelle's kin.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like a jungle here at LGC. There's like a panther behind me stalking me. I love you.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you don't.
I do.
You do not.
I do. Almost a good overlook. Alrighty folks, here's a really cool overlook. Little Grand Canyon, Chalk Bluff overlook. A little misty out here. Beautiful overlook. All sorts of nice bluffage down there. Really cool. Starting to get into the canyon of Little Grand Canyon. The area where you gotta be safe. Always seems like it's going to be really slick. Isn't too slick, but still something to keep an eye on. It's just a pretty area, LGC. It's a pretty area.
Wow. I wonder how long that tree's been down. Not very long.
Which one? That? Oh yeah. Not too long.
No, because it's still green. Good and green.
Good and green. Just a pretty, pretty area. Descending further down into the canyon. It is pretty. It is little, but it is grand. Oh, by the way, there's Michelle. She's with me. Whew. I think I always jump.
I think every time there.
Yeah. That's gonna eventually be why my knees go out. Something's dead.
I think it's a mushroom.
Oh, okay.
But I was looking to see if there was. Oh.
Bluffage.
It could be something dead.
Yeah. All right, folks. Got us a yellow belly, plain belly, water snake. Right there. I think the last time we were out here, we seen one of these guys at a hidden canyon or whatever.
Secret canyon or whatever it is, yeah.
There he is. I was hoping to see some snakes. Forget about these guys.
Pretty. He's big.
Yeah, he's a good-looking snake. All right. So when we were looking at the overlook on top, we were up at the top of this big bluffage. Beautiful bluffage. And here it is. The lower bottoms. Used to be all sorts of really nice picnic areas back over there, but they had to pretty much abandon them because it floods so frequently. Still hiking, still enjoying this jungle. I still want to one day when the leaves are down, go explore out that way.
I'm game.
Never really went that way. Little waterfall. I've seen it raging. This whole pretty area. Very pretty area. Oh, just got prettier. Pretty good. Alrighty, folks, we got to the part where Michelle's going to trail run up the waterfall. Barefoot. Hopping on one leg. Blindfolded. Whoa. Here we go. We got a sun here. We got some rock art. That's definitely something the Native Americans would have put on there. That's not really. There is rock art somewhere out here, though. I've yet to find it. They say it's fairly right in front of you. No, me neither.
I mean, I see stuff that's but
Yeah. All sorts of holes.
yeah, I don't remember them being that deep.
Like them?
Yeah.
I remember that because I was like,
But I don't remember them being that deep though.
yeah. Could have been eroded a little more. What a fun little place. Fun little place.
Billy, and cigarette up here.
Got it? Got you a cigarette?
There's a cigarette butt up here.
Yep, they probably started coughing. It's like, I can't smoke this anymore. But do 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 do. Little hand grippers. Hang on to the sides so you don't. Those hand grippers full of water are probably also full of hand sanitizer. Yep. We're making it. Just hiked up all that. Alrighty folks, we made it up the canyon. Not going that way. Now we're gonna go this way and get wore out really quick. Because it's nothing but hills all the way back. We're still alive. It's starting to rain on us. It rained on us a little earlier.
That was supposed to rain on us when we're here.
Yeah, here lately. Yeah, especially here. Every time me and Michelle's been at Little Grand Canyon, it's been in the rain. So, getting close to the truck after this last hill.
So we're done.
Like, comment, subscribe, share. Thanks, Kim, for watching another episode of Hiking with Shawn. Until next time, you'll see Michelle on the trail on a mountain bike going up a hill but she'll be assisted with butterflies carrying her. Me, I'll be the one going because they don't like me.